welcome back to my channel. I'm sorry about the noise. Our washer's on. So yeah, it's kind of annoying. But here's our garage door. I have a Chamberlain HD220. It's up there. And I've got our Chamberlain 950 ESTD. I can never remember that. But yeah. And then over here, oh yeah, it is a chain drive. Got standard button. And we've got this LiftMaster B77 Max. So yeah. So let's take this thing for a test ride. 3, 2, 1. Okay, close it from out here. Let's put in the password. See it going slowly up there. Alright guys, I believe that will be it. So, thank you for watching.